Two city corporations of the capital think it will be possible to remove the waste of sacrificial animals in less time than before if the city dwellers help. They claim that their capacity in waste management has been increased to a large extent. The city authorities request the citizens to put the animal waste in a bag and provide it in the city corporation and keep them at the specified place. The two city corporations of the capital have completed the preparation to remove the waste of the sacrificial animals and the market within the short period of time. The aim is to give a clean city to the city dwellers in less time than last year. A total of 9,497 cleaners will work in the South City Corporation this year in the Kurbani waste removal program. Also, 560 different types of vehicles and equipment will be engaged in this activity.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।